Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat software. Then next is start opening the file with the text you would like to edit. Now from here, head over to the toolbar section and click on edit. Just a reminder that the edit text feature or tool is only available for Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, which means that you have to pay and own the Adobe Acrobat Pro software. But you can still enjoy free trial for 7 days. Now to edit a text, head over and click on the text section. And here you can start typing, adding characters, and editing basically all the text in this file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!